RISEPRO portable camping shower, outdoor shower head, shower pump, rechargeable battery, USB charging line, pumps water from bucket for hiking, pet cleaning, pet shower, car washing. Multiple uses, you could use it at indoor or outdoor, good for hiking, camping, BBQ, travel, kids bathing, plants watering, doggies, cats and other pets cleaning, etc. Moreover, suction cup and hook are included for using it with hands-free. Perfect experience. This shower head water flows at approx. 0.2 liters per minute and up to 5 to 7 minutes shower time with 10 liters, 2.5 gallons, water. Easy to operate, just add water. You could put the shower pump into water and turn on the power, and then you could enjoy the best shower. 3 charging methods. There are 3 ways to charge. 1. Mobile phone charger. 2. USB output from laptop. 3. USB output from car. And it works up to 60 minutes at full charge of continuous use. Compact and portable, it is supplied with mounting accessories that was easily to carry in luggage, backpack, or car trunk.